With 1,500 watts high power and 8.5 liters capacity, this kettle boils water in just 2 minutes, saving time and meeting your daily hydration needs. Features an anti-scald handle and spout for easy pouring and added safety. Made with food-grade stainless steel interior. Seamless integrated inner pot. It is heat-resistant, corrosion-proof, and ensures clean, odor-free water. Easy to operate, one-touch start. Automatically starts working when the light turns on. The boiling water is fast and quiet. Automatic shut-off and anti-scald design for worry-free operation. If you're interested, feel free to contact me on WhatsApp for more details.